this problem will be done with the video. Make sure you type in your answers once we figure it out. You have 4 digits, 7, 3, 2, and 6. Use all 4 of these digits and rearrange to write the largest number possible and the smallest number possible. So here we have our four digits. We need to put them in order to make the largest number. So if we're trying to make the largest number, we're going to start in our largest place. So there are 4 digits, so we're going to have 4 places, which means we're going to have something in the thousands. So here I have my 4 places: ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And I'm going to erase my question marks to have a place to write. Which of these digits could we put into the thousands place in order to make the largest number? We would put 7 in the thousands place because 7,000 is larger than 3,000, 2,000, or 6,000. So now that we've used 7,000, I'll move that up. Now we're looking for what can go in the hundreds place to make this the largest number possible. Can we put 3 there? We can, but then we would have 300. Well, that's more than 200. Or we could put 600 there. 600 is the most, so we're going to put a 6 in the hundreds place. So we've used 7 and 6. Now we have 3 and 2 left. We're looking for what can go in the tens place. If we have a 3 in the tens place, that would be 30. Or if we have a 2 in the tens place, that would be 20. So, which one will make the largest number? 3 will make the largest number because 30 is larger than 20. The only digit we have left is 2, and 2 is smaller than 3, 6, and 7, so we know that that will be in our smallest place if we're trying to make the largest number. So our number 7,632 is the largest number that we can make. Now we're going to start with our same digits again. I put the cards back in the order that we saw them originally, and we're going to make the smallest number possible. So again, we have 4 digits, so we will have 4 places: the thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. And I'm going to backspace and erase my question mark. So in order to make the smallest number, we're again going to start in the largest place, but this time we're looking to make the smallest amount. So we would either have 7,000, 3,000, 2,000, or 6,000. Which would be the smallest? 2,000. So we're going to put a 2 in the thousands place because that has the least amount of value. Now we've used 2. Next we need to figure out what could go in the hundreds place that will be the smallest. Would it be 700, 600, or 300? Well, 300 is the smallest, so we're going to put a 3 in the hundreds place. Next, we're saying, all right, how many tens will give me the smallest number? Would it be 7 tens, 70, or 6 tens, 60? Which is the smallest number? 60 is smaller. And then we have 7 left, which 7 will go in the ones place. So our number that we got for the smallest is 2,367. Using only these digits, that is the smallest number that we can make. go ahead and pause the video and type these numbers into slide 4. We're going to do the same process to solve this next problem. Let's read the problem together. You have 4 digits, 4, 9, 0, and 4. Use all 4 of these digits and rearrange to write the largest number possible and the smallest number possible. So again, we have 4, 9, 0, and 4. In order to make the largest number, we need to put our places down. We have 4 digits, so we will have 4 places. The thousands, the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. Which of these digits can we put into the thousands place to make the largest number? We would either have 4,000, 9,000, 0,000s, or 4,000. We would have 9,000 because that is the largest. Now we're left with the digits 4, 0, and 4. Which one will go in the hundreds place to make the largest number? 400, 0 hundreds, or 400? 400 is going to go into the hundreds place, and it doesn't matter which 4 we use because they have the same value. Now we're left with 0 and 4. Which one can go in the tens place to make the largest number? 0 tens or 4 tens, which would be 40. Well, 40 is larger than 0, so we're going to put 40 in the tens place. The last digit that we have left is 0. So a 0 will go in the ones place. The largest number that we can make out of these 4 digits is 9,440. Now we're back to our original 4 digits. This time we're going to make the smallest number possible. So we have 4 digits, so we need 4 places. The thousands, the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. Which of these digits are we going to put in the thousands place to make the smallest number possible? Would it be 4,000, 9,000, 0,000, or 4,000? Which one is the smallest? 0,000s is the smallest. Now we need to decide what is the next smallest amount that can go in the hundreds place. Is it 400, 900, or 400? Well, it's 400. And again, it doesn't matter which of the 4s we use because they are the same digit. Now let's decide what's going to go in the tens place to make the smallest number. 9 tens, which is 90, or 4 tens, which is 40. Which one will be smaller? 40. And lastly, our largest digit is going to go in the ones place, which is 9. So the smallest number that we can make with these 4 digits is 449. And you can either put the 0 there or you can leave it off. It doesn't matter. So go ahead and type these 2 numbers into slide number 5. Then you will have 2 problems to do on your own that are similar to the 2 that we just did, using the digits 2, 9, 0, and 3, and the digits 5, 7, 8, and 8. You're going to write the largest number and the smallest number. Go ahead and do those.